Today, we're going to be talking about this box, and it has foam slime, jelly cube slime, fishbowl slime, and cloud slime. Let's see what's inside. Okay. So we have the instructions, some knives or making tools, cubes, some glitters and food coloring, some clay, glue, foam beads, some more foam beads, some more foam beads, and some mixing spoons, and some storage. So if you're like done playing with your slime, you can just put them inside these, and that's it. Oh, this is all the stuff. And today we're gonna make some cloud slime. So we could add decorations, or we could just add some color. So let's get started. We're gonna make this slime. So first you have to use the white glue and the clear glue. You can use the clear glue, and I'll use the white glue. I'm just gonna open the top because it's gonna take too long. Yep. Let's put some white glue. Clear. I think this is enough. Now this one, this giant bubble on top. This one, blue. Okay, now let's use the instructions to read the next step. Okay. So it says stir and for 10 minutes. 10 seconds, not 10. Not 10 minutes. Oh, oops. Get this. Mix. I think that's enough. Yeah. It's all white now. I think you should put a little more glue. Maybe one more squirt. I think that's enough. Okay. Let's take that one, and then maybe some work glue. Yeah, that's enough. Now you mix for 10 more seconds. I think that's it. So the next step is add water and mix for a minute. Okay. So use some water. Okay. Want to use it? I think that's enough water. Bubbles for 1 minute.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Now we have to add a drop of borax water and mix for 30 seconds. Okay. So let's just use this one. Yes. A little bit. I think that's enough. And then now your turn. Now let's mix it for 30 seconds. And then it said we have to knead it after, so then it can become nice and slimy. I think I have to add some more. I definitely have to add some more. Yeah, I need to add some more. I think that's enough. I need to eat it too. Oh, I think it's warming. think I
Forming.
need some more. If it doesn't work, we might have to use the borax.
Yeah. It doesn't.
Oh, it's pumping up now. It's pumping up.
Slimy.
Slimy, slimy.
Wow. That is so cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna add some more. I hope it doesn't overactivate.
Wow. I need a
I think-
little bit more.
I think
Just a
this
little
might
bit.
be it. No, it's not. It's totally not.
There. Now that's so
That's
thick.
much. That should be enough.
Wow.
Oh, it's definitely turning to slime.
Yeah, this is a lot of slime. This is turning into slime.
And it's ready. Just a little bit more.
Wow.
I think it's ready to knead right
Yeah, I think mine's ready.
now. I don't think so. I'm gonna start mixing with my hands. So I already got a mix. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put it on the table now.
Okay. It's just ready.
I think I should add a
Wow.
little bit more. It's so cheesy. Maybe I just have to eat it. Mix, 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 mix. Okay, I have to add a little more.
Wow.
I got it. Ooh, I think mine's gonna be
think I'm
fine
gonna-
right about now. Wow. Yep, mine's turning into slime.
Mine is too.
I think mine's almost ready. It's a little sticky. I think mine's ready.
Yeah, mine's ready too.
Yep, mine's ready now.
Yeah. So sticky.
Yeah, it's very sticky. Sticky, sticky. I can't get it off. I have to put more. Yes, a bit more so I don't overactivate it.
I hope I can.
I almost overactivated it. Okay, I think this is about enough.
Yeah,
It's still a little sticky, but
that's
I
okay.
think it's okay.
So now we start kneading it.
Yeah. Need get some more.
Mine's starting to get slimy now.
I think I'm about done with it.
Yeah, me too. We're just gonna knead.
I think I have to put it out. That's a tiny. Oh,
Yes.
that was not a tiny bit. I think I overactivated it. I totally overactivated it.
Because
I'm gonna
if
fix
you
it.
do want to activate it, will be
I
rock
think
solid.
I'm gonna fix it. Wait, no I didn't. It's still stretchy. I did not overactivate it.
Wow.
It's done.
I think we're
Mine's done.
I'm just gonna get mine out.
I'm just
Wow.
gonna need a little more. If I stretch it slow, it's still okay.
Wow. Now it's gonna need it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So,
So now, let's make it the cloud slime. So we have to add the snow powder. So let's make some instants now. I can put some in your bowl, like that's enough. And then we put some water. Let's see it. Wow.
that's a lot of wine.
We gotta add some more. I think that's enough. Oh, it's turning into snow. It's so snowy. And I'm gonna put it in my slime. Dun, dun, dun. Now I'm gonna mix
Whoa,
it.
it's so snowy.
Oh, it's getting so like crunchy. It's like less overactivated.
Yeah, let's.
But it's getting more sticky. Whoa. This is cool.
Slime.
Me too.
So cool.
Whoa.
Mine's
I gotta get mine off my
Whoa.
hands. I think I added too much snow.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Or maybe not. It's barely slime anymore. It's mostly snow.
Now it's just. Mine's just like
Okay.
crunchy and slimy at the same time.
This is cool.
Yeah, this is very cool.
This is
Iceberg slime.
Iceberg slime. This is not stretchy at all.
Is that too much activator?
No, it's too much snow. That was like an activator.
Look, I added.
You added just enough. I added way too much. I probably should have added the whole thing. Next time I'm gonna do it little at a time. Oh, this is my slime.
Why did you do that?
Wow. I added way too much snow. So this is what my slime turned out to be.
And this is what mine's like. Wow. Now you're like putty.
Yeah. Not even funny. Oh, now I think let's make the next one.
Yeah. It's so cool.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna add any accessories into mine.
I am gonna add some scent.
You know what? Why not make mine smell good? What's this? Candy.
Candy. Mine's candy.
Let's open it. Put a tiny, tiny bit. Okay, I think that's enough.
I'm just gonna.
I hope it smells good after though. It smells like glue. It smells like glue. I'm gonna add one more drop.
See now? And now, squeeze, and whoa, it smells like candy.
That sounds like glue still. I know what is fine. So this is how my slime turned out. It is not stretchy at all. It's not even snow. It's just snow. Next time, maybe we shouldn't add too much snow.
Well, this is how mine turns out, so I'm gonna add some color.
I'm just gonna put mine in my bowl for right now. There. I think yours might turn into a light blue. I really like blue, but if you add a lot, it probably won't. Probably turn into like a sky blue. So if you miss your snow, if you move some away from snow, you can just have snow. Here's snow. It's just like little chunks of snow, and just like chunks
I'm
of
gonna
slime.
add a little bit.
Like, it's barely slime.
There.
Let's get all snow covered. Okay, perfect. Beautiful snow. Beautiful snow. So it looks like yours is turning a light blue.
And I added some color and it just turns light. And then I'm good. This is going to be really cool. If you want, you could like mix colors. And that's what I'm going to do.
That might turn purple.
Some people say that pink and blue does turn purple. So it might turn purple.
That'd be cool if it turned purple.
Yeah.
But it most likely will turn purple. But if it turned not purple, that would be surprising. It probably depends how much you add.
Yeah.
It already looks like it's turning purple. It already looks like cotton candy slime. So
So I tried adding more glue to fix this, but it did not work. It just did not.
Okay.
So I messed up, but I think I'm still gonna add some food coloring, and I think I'm gonna make them 3 different colors.
Yep.
Purple.
Unicorn.
It mostly might turn purple. Okay.
Purple,
It's turning pink already?
You already added purple in there. How is it gonna turn purple with purple? Purple with purple just makes purple.
It will make purple. This one's sort of clumpy, so I'm gonna add some of this one. And then add some more purple.
That's
Purple?
No, that's a lot of snow, you know.
I think this is paint. Yeah, see. Alright, now I'm gonna mix the blue one.
Unicorn slime. Yay.
Okay, now I'm gonna put them all
I'm gonna
together.
actually add some more because it looks like a ring.
Add
That's what I'm
purple
gonna
now.
make. I'm just gonna go crazy
Purple.
with color. Lots of it. Just
There. Now it's
add some swirls.
rainbow.
Some purple
No.
here.
You know what? Let's add some more. Add some blue.
Pink.
Add some
Come out.
purple. And some pink.
I need some blue.
Okay.
Thanks.
So blue, pink, and purple.
There.
It's turning purple.
Make purple.
Purple, purple,
Mine didn't turn purple.
purple. Okay. It's
Mine was
purple.
making like all the colors that I use.
Okay, it's like purple with like pink and blue chunks now.
Wow, it looks like a galaxy slime but with snow in it. Because it's like these little like things right there, and then all the colors that I use looks like a galaxy.
Yeah.
Galaxy snow slime.
Mine looks like galaxy snow. Not galaxy snow slime.
That's cool. That is a
Wow. It's amazing!
Yeah.
Most best snow ever.
Yeah.
Now,
Snowing in
what if I
space.
add these?
I'm gonna add some pearls.
I'm just gonna add a little bit of this.
I'm just gonna add.
That's enough. Let's mix it up together. Now it's more beautiful. What if I add these? Pink, 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 pink. My favorite color is pink.
How mine turns out. It's still not that stretchy, but it's still very cool. Mine came out good.
Mine came out not very slimy, of course. Just remember, make sure to not put too much snow.
Okay.
But mine still looks sort of like ice cream still.
Okay.
And it's pretty still, so yeah.
So thank you for watching
our video.
videos.
Hope you like
And subscribe to Black Unicorn Girlz. You can follow us on Twitter, Instagram, whatever. So thank you for watching. What fun videos do you want to do next? Comment down below. Thank you for watching.